Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our vent valve. Now first let's locate it. Looking at the air filter box, as you follow it towards the engine, you're going to be able to find the vent valve. To start removing it, let's carefully lift up on it and lifting it up and away from this area. Now once you have it lifted up, the next thing you want to do is make your way to this area. I'm going to use some long nose pliers, squeeze the two ears along the sides, and then we can push this up and out of here. Once you have that out of there, continue on to the electrical connector. Right where my index finger is, you can see a squeeze tab. Go ahead and squeeze on that and pull this off. Once you have it disconnected, just take a peek. You want to make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Now we can move along to our hoses. For these, there's going to be a clamp that you can squeeze, and then you can slide it down the hose and remove the hose from the valve. Sometimes you need to use a pick or something the like to go ahead and take the hose off of there. Now looking underneath this, you're going to find one more hose. You know what to do. Squeeze the clamp, slide it down, remove the hose from the valve. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, it's time to install our vent valve. To do this, let's start with our lower hose. Slide that right on there. You want to make sure it's pressed all the way up against the valve, as far as it can. After that, go ahead and take your clamp. We're going to slide it back into its original position. Now we can take our other hose. Let's go ahead and slide that right on. Grab our clamp, slide that into position as well. Now we can take the entire unit and slide it into its mounting position. You can see that you have the larger stud here and then a smaller one. On the air filter housing tube, you can see that you have the same exact thing. We're going to go ahead and get this lined up, slide it down. And now, of course, we can grab our electrical connector. Let's go ahead and slide that in, listen for a click. I got a click. I'm going to give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secure here, and then we'll also re-secure the wires. Give that a click, give it a tug. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. After that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.